In the heart of the 100-acre wood lived a big, lovable bear named Baloo. One sunny day, Baloo decided to go on an adventure. "Hey, Piglet," Baloo called. "I'm going on a big adventure today. Want to come with me?" Piglet was excited but a little scared. "I don't know, Baloo. What if something goes wrong?" Baloo promised to take good care of Piglet, and together they set off on their adventure. They walked through the forest, enjoying the sunshine and the sweet sounds of birds singing. Baloo taught Pigley about the different kinds of trees and animals they saw along the way. Suddenly, they came across a river. "We can't cross this, Baloo," Piglet said, worried. Baloo smiled and said, "Don't worry, Piglet. I know just what to do." Baloo swam across the river and came back with a big, strong log. He helped Piglet across the river, and they continued on their adventure. As they walked, they came to a big hill. "We can't climb this, Baloo," Piglet said, looking at the steep hill. Baloo just laughed and said, "Come on, Piglet. We can do it together." They held hands and climbed the hill, taking breaks to catch their breath. At the top, they were rewarded with a beautiful view of the 100-acre wood. As they walked back home, Piglet felt proud of himself for going on such a big adventure. "Thank you, Baloo," he said. "I had so much fun." Baloo just smiled and said, "That's what friends are for, Piglet. We'll have many more adventures together." And so, Baloo and Piglet became the best of friends, always going on exciting adventures together and learning about the world around them. The end.